In this video, I'm gonna be walking through how to customize your iPhone home screen in iOS 18. First of all, make sure to update your iOS version to 18 and then go to your iPhone home screen and then just tap on a blank space, and now just tap on edit at the top left, tap on customize, and here now you can easily customize your iPhone home screen or app icons. To make your iPhone app icon large, select here large and your icon will be large. And to change your iPhone app icon colors, you can select here dark color, light color, or you can select tint. If you select tint, here you will find lots of color options to add into your iPhone app icon like this. Just go ahead and adjust the color according to your requirements. And to pick a color for your app icon from your wallpaper, just tap on this little drop icon, and now from your iPhone wallpaper you can pick any color. Just select the color and your app icon will be changed with the selected color. And to make your iPhone app icon color totally black, just select tint, and here you have to decrease the second slider and your iPhone app icons will be completely dark, as you can see, white and black and white. So that's it. And again, I'm going to my customization section, and here you can select automatic, and this will automatically change your app icon when your iPhone is dark mode and light mode. So I'm selecting a small icon, and that's it. This is how we can customize our home screen on iOS 18. If this video helped you out, please leave a like and leave a comment down below. Thank you for watching.